Good morning, students. Last time completed the electric circuit, then electric current I and potential difference across the circuit, that is called V. But here we know what is the relation between the V and I. So let us perform one activity for this activity, that is 12.2. Sorry, 12.1. 12.1. Activity 12.1. First you connect the circuit as shown in figure. The apparatus like ammeter, voltmeter, the resistors that between the X and Y, then batteries of 1.5 volt, then key. All these are connected with the nichrome wire. Now actually what is nichrome? Nichrome is the alloy of nickel, chromium, manganese and iron. All these metals, they are mixed and alloy of nichrome is prepared. So here the nichrome wire XY of length 0.5 is connected, then ammeter A, voltmeter V, K key, and the batteries are connected. Battery means the cells and of 1.5 volt each. First of all, we use only one cell and as a source of energy. Note the reading in ammeter and voltmeter. So you prepare one table, you note down the observation number 1, 2, 3. First, what is the current and voltage is 1.5 volt. So what is the current? You note down here the observation. Now add another battery having 1.5 volt. Again note down this observation. Third cell and note down the observation in the ammeter. In this way 4 cells we will connect of 1.5 volt and each time we will note down the observation in ammeter, right? Now here the total potential lastly will be 6 volt. Now repeat this above steps using 1 cell, 2 cells, 3 cells and then 4 cells in the circuit separately. And every time you note down V and I. So here first V is 1.5. So second time 1.5 plus 1.5 it will be 3. Then 4.5 and then lastly it will be 6. So same way you calculate the R. R is called the resistance, that is V upon I. V upon I means 1.5 divided by, suppose here we are getting 3, here 6. So in this way 1.5 upon 3, that will be 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means 0.5. So ratio of V and I always we will get constant. Here 3 upon 6, again 1 upon 2, 0.5. So here the ratio of V and I, that is always constant if you calculate, right? Now the mathematical form of Ohm's law. How to define or give the definition of the Ohm's law. The statement: the current passing through the metallic element is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. Ends means X and Y here. So here the temperature remains constant and mathematical form we can write V varies I. To remove this proportionality we put the constant R, that is called the Ohm's constant. Resistance R. So V is equal to IR. Therefore R is equal to V upon I. This is called mathematical form of Ohm's law. And here R is the resistance, its unit is the actually ohm, but symbol is used like this. This is called omega. The unit for R is ohm in honor of the scientist Ohm, and it is called omega. Sign is called omega. Now if you plot the graph V versus I, then you will get the straight line passing through the origin. You will get the straight line passing through the origin. Is it clear? So in short, as the voltage increases, current also increases.